Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you ready for a sweet top that can go casual or dressy easily? Now I'm always on the lookout for a versatile piece to add to my wardrobe, and this top fits the bill. It's from WDIRARA, and it's a puff sleeve top. I have it in the light blue in size large. I would say the fit is true to size, but it's a little on the smaller side of large. So keep that in mind when purchasing because it was fitted on me. The puff sleeves add such a nice touch and the color is phenomenal. That pop of sky blue is really eye-catching. And I found it went with a lot of different pieces in my wardrobe. I like the neckline as well. It has a really wide neckline. It works well with a variety of different necklaces. So whether you want to wear this casual, whether you want to dress it up, whether you want to layer it, this top has turned out to be really versatile and comfortable. And the sleeve length is a little bit longer than short sleeves. So I feel like you could wear it for several different seasons. So if you're looking for a unique top that's going to go dressy or casual and has that beautiful pop of light blue color, then don't hesitate. This is definitely the top for you. I also love it for layering. You can easily wear a jacket or a sweater over it and even a scarf. So versatile and lovely. This top has been a win-win for me, and that is my point of view.